From time to time, your Pfaff Creative 3.0 sewing and embroidery machine get updates. So you can go to Pfaff's website and actually do the updates yourself. Now in our store, when you bring your Pfaff sewing or embroidery machine in, we always check to make sure it has the latest version, and if there's a new version than what's on the machine, we go ahead and update it for our customers. But you will find in your manual a step-by-step updating option where you would go to the Pfaff website with a USB stick and then download the latest version, and then it will show you that while pressing and holding the reverse button, turn on your machine that kind of accesses the update from the USB stick. It knows that's what it's supposed to do, and then follow along as the update starts, and then this might take up to a minute before the progress bar appears, and just follow along that you have updated it successfully. It's actually not too hard, but if you do want to check, maybe you've gotten this machine from somebody else, maybe it has an old version on it, and you'd want to make sure you had all the latest for this machine and any updates that Pfaff have come out with, and you can do it yourself.